Hello everyone, today I will show you the basics of accessing the EXPRES Corpus platform and the use of each navigation section in the header. On the home page, you have the main features of the EXPRES Corpus. Right below the home page, we have a platform sign-in button right in the center, which we will return to later. Underneath, we have the About part, which gives you information in regards to the characteristics of the corpus and any other additional details. In the footer, you can find contact details, our primary social media account, the terms and conditions of using the EXPRES Corpus platform, and our privacy statement. The Corpus documentation section provides information about the EXPRES Corpus, its relationship to similar corpora, corpus annotations, acknowledgements, and the appropriate way to cite the platform. The tutorial section is an additional support that offers multiple guides with the aim of helping you use the platform to its full potential. In the research section, you can find and access publications of research that use or reference EXPRES. The statistics section offers you an overview of the EXPRES corpus based on the number of its texts by discipline and language, words, characters, and n-grams. Finally, we have to create an account by pressing the Sign-in section for a more wholesome use and access of the platform. You will be asked to provide your first and last name, a valid email address, main occupation, a username, and of course a password. It is important to read and agree to the terms and conditions before pressing the Done button. Signing in will bring you to the modified version of the home page with a new section in the upper part of the page called Search. Here, you will be able to search the EXPRES Corpus by typing in any keywords or titles of research you wish to find in the provided box. On the left, you will be able to filter the information you are looking for by language, Romanian, English L1 and English L2, and discipline, such as economics, information technology, linguistics, and political sciences. See our next tutorial for more information about our EXPRES platform. Thank you!